Hello guys, and today we're going to be seeing what happens if you inject Sk8r and Ronapse. So my friend did tell me that pipes do collide, so it's going to be a huge problem for us. So what happens if we inject both of them? And let's click it. Alright, so there's already a pipe name that it cannot be two pipe names. Can I execute? Is anything happening? Is anything Oh, we got kicked out. Alright, let's do that one more time. That was kind of cool. So fascinating was that the pipe name of Ronapse collided with the ZXC. Now why this happens is because there can only be one room for one pipe name, and two named pipes are colliding against each other, and that causes Roblox to crash because Roblox has nothing to do and the exploit is already there. So yeah, let's attach this. Okay, I'm spamming right now. Now it doesn't take a while for this to attach. It's just my computer's been slow recently, and don't worry, I'm gonna boost it up. The only two exploits I have is Sk8r and Ronapse. Other than that, I have none. So alright, it injected. So what if we click and execute? Well, alright, it's gonna attach because I feel like the website's gonna open, and we got kicked out again. So this is what happens if you attach Sk8r and Ronapse together. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.